Hello all, welcome to part 4 of our comprehensive 12 volt battery testing series. In this video, we are going to see parasitic drain test, key of current draw. This test measures the hidden electrical current draws that drain your battery while your vehicle is parked and at rest. Understanding parasitic drain is essential for diagnosing unexplained battery discharges and ensuring reliable starting. As you are aware, this video is meant for vehicle owners, drivers, and entry-level automotive technicians. The objective of this video is to understand battery drain when the vehicle is parked and at rest. Identify abnormal current draws that could indicate electrical systems fault or parasitic drains. Tools required: a digital multimeter and basic hand tools for battery access. Safety first. Vehicle in park or neutral with the parking brake engaged. Ignition off and accessories off. Wait 30 minutes for control modules to sleep. Confirm prop placement. Red to positive side and black to negative side. Never crank the engine during the current measurement. Let us understand the step-by-step procedure. First, turn the ignition off and wait for 30 minutes for all the control modules to enter sleep mode. Now, set the multimeter to 10 ampere range DC. Remove the ground wire from negative terminal of the battery. Connect black probe to negative terminal and red probe to the removed ground cable. Observe the reading. Maintenance tips: keep the terminals clean and corrosion free. Avoid leaving accessories on when parked. Check monthly for abnormal current draw. Let us interpret our findings and a few common errors what people are doing while checking the parasitic drain. Most of the vehicles should draw around 20 to 50 milliampere of current while at rest also. Some of the vehicles which has an advanced electronic systems draw around 100 milliampere. Hence, any findings which is below 50 ampere is in acceptable range. Beyond 50 should be investigated too. What is the source of draw? That can be done by an expert technician. Common errors to avoid: testing before modules fully sleep. Wait up to 30 minutes. Opening doors or disturbing the vehicle during the test. We are using multimeters to measure the amperage. So properly set the multimeter to current. Ignoring the recent battery servicing or charging. Some troubleshooting tips: check for aftermarket accessories which may draw more power. Inspect fuse box for stuck relays or faulty modules. Disconnect the battery overnight to confirm the drain. Consult service manual for any abnormal specifications. Let us understand our learning series progress and what is next. In part 1, we learned about the visual inspection, physical condition, corrosion, and terminal checks. In 2, we learned about SOC check, no load voltage measurement on the vehicle. In part 3, we learned about the cranking test, on load voltage test, under starter motor load. In this part, we learned about parasitic drain, key of current draw measurement. Upcoming part 5, we will be learning about container drain test, drain through the container analysis. Coming up next is in part 4, a demonstration of this practical on vehicle, followed by in part 5, container drain test. Key takeaways. Always follow the sequence. Use diagnostic table for interpretation of your findings. Always mind your safety. Address physical issues. Well done. By following these systematic diagnostic steps, you can accurately identify battery issues and make informed decisions about charging, monitoring, or replacement. Continue to part 4 for parasitic drain test video demonstration. Ready to see you in action. Watch the full parasitic draining test video demonstration part 4 to master this critical diagnostic technique. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your battery testing questions. Thank you for watching.